This is a video of the Caterham Academy 2023 first round at Curborough. This includes a pit walk video and also a very special onboard video at the end. So let's get into the video. Well, hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. This is a video of the Caterham Academy 2023 first round at Curborough. I really like watching any of the Caterham racing and also the Speed Championship, which is sprinting. I would love to do the Caterham Academy one year when funds allow, as I think it is great. They are all brand new cars, which some are built by owners and some are factory built. None of the drivers can have a racing licence before, and by the end of the championship you should have enough signatures to get your racing licence. The first round of the 2023 Caterham Academy is at Curborough, which is a sprint circuit. It is a great circuit for viewers, as from most places you can see all of the track and you can also get quite close. The weather was a bit random on the day. It was dry, then raining, and then dry again, with some of the best times at the end of the day. It was good practice for the drivers though, having at least one run in the wet. It was great seeing the drivers progress throughout the day, and there were some good times on the last runs. The liveries this year are really quite good, and there are some really good looking cars out there. I also have a few favourites of my own. I didn't get all of the cars on this kind of pit walk, but hopefully with the clips every car should be shown in the video somewhere. Some of the liveries are also very detailed when you see them up close. I'm sure you will all agree that there are some really great colour schemes this year. Let's have a few more clips and then a special onboard video from Myles, who you might know from Instagram. I have been following Myles's build progress on Instagram and I managed to have a chat with him on the day. Myles is a lovely chap and I can't wait to see his progress throughout the year. His car is really easy to spot as well. His Instagram channel is Caterham Racing, and I will leave a link in the description. Here is the onboard video with Myles, and I really liked editing this onboard video with other clips from the day. time by Myles, which put him 10th in his group. Hopefully you have enjoyed watching this video. I know that I've definitely liked or enjoyed editing it. Please like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one.